error code 288 means. Error 288 usually appears when the game server shuts down by the developer. The game updates live, restarting the server for everyone. You were on a private server that got closed. The server crashed due to a bug or overload. This is not caused by your device or internet. Hash how to fix or avoid Roblox error code 288. Chart 1. Click reconnecting immediately if the server was just restarted. Sometimes Roblox brings the server back up within seconds. 2. Rejoin from the main game page. If reconnect fails, 1. Exit to the main Roblox game page. 2. Click play to join a fresh new server. 3. Check if the game was updated or patched. Visit the game's page on Roblox. Look for update logs or announcements in the description or group wall. If it was just updated, all servers may have been rebooted. 4. Avoid unstable servers. Avoid small or unofficial servers with few players. Stick to official or populated servers that are less likely to go down randomly. 5. If the problem happens repeatedly, try the following general fixes. Restart your internet router. Disable browser extensions if playing via browser. Clear Roblox cache. 1. Press Windows R. 2. Type sent local app data to Roblox. 3. Delete the versions folder. If you're the game developer, if you're making the game and error 288 appears for players, your script may include a shutdown function or crash logic. Use bind to close to handle shutdowns gracefully. Monitor the developer console F9 for crash logs.